right, here's another massage for the abdomen area using the Corgis ball or any playground ball that is deflated and squishy and grippy, okay? What we're gonna do is, this is gonna be done after you've done the first massage that targeted the diaphragm. So you were on your belly and you ended up having the ball roll from side to side, creating a plow effect, opening up the diaphragm. The next muscle that we're going to target, in addition to a whole lot of other things that are going to happen during this massage, but I'm trying to focus in on a couple of things that are specific to what you're struggling with the pelvic floor, is that we're going to go after the psoas muscle. You remember in the anatomy, the diaphragm has a little crura that attached to the spine, and your psoas muscle, that big hip flexor muscle, starts the inside of the thigh bone, goes all the way up and attaches, pretty much covered by those crura. And it's all intertwined, right? They're all going to affect each other. So we're going to go after this muscle that it's on both sides, goes down and kind of whips out. Does this and whoosh, out. We're going to go after those. And you're going to do it with this. And we're going to lie down again. We're going to start at the top. So as I explain, the muscles go down, out. You're going to go from the center, okay, to coming down, 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 and bringing it slightly to the side. And then we're going to do the same thing all the way down to their side. But we're going to be lying down, just like we did the first video for the massage. Now, you're going to end up pausing. You're going to start one spot, and then it's going to come down, and it's going to come down, it's going to come down. And each spot, I'm going to ask you to pause and breathe. So the exercise is lie down, take, let's say 4 breaths. You can take less, you can take more. Let's just aim for metrics of 4. You're going to take those big inhales so you feel your back expand, your ribs expand, your rib cage, everything expands. And then you exhale and let the ball become one with you. You do that 4 times, and then you're going to bring it down, do it 4 times, 4 times. At a certain point, I'm going to ask you to engage the same leg on the side that you're treating. So if you have the ball on the right, I'm going to get you to move your right leg. And when you're going to move your right leg, you might feel that psoas muscle kind of push. You might feel the connection a little bit more. If you don't feel anything, yay again. It's probably because it's not that tight in the way that this will go get it. It might need something a little deeper or a different angle. This is one, and this is going to help release a lot of tension in the abdominal area, the abdomen, the viscera. Okay? So here it is. Simply, you're going to lie down on your belly. Once again, start with the Sphinx style pose so that you can adjust, and then you can lie down, and you're going to pause for the 4 breaths there. I'm going to change on an angle so that you can maybe see what I'm doing. Okay, let's go. We're here. Now, you're going to crawl forward a little bit. Notice I want to go down the right side, so I'm going to shift, and now I'm going to lie down. And you can see a little bit of the ball poking out. Okay. It's no longer in my center. It's now a little bit to the side. So you're going to take your 4 breaths here. Okay, I'll take a 3rd and a 4th breath. Then you crawl forward a little bit more and lie down. So if you've noticed, I'm going to show you where the ball is now at this point. It is now here. It is no longer up here. It is slightly to the side. And as you're going to lie down, this will poke out a little bit more. Okay, so I'm here. Now, this is where I'm going to ask you to engage that back leg to lift it up. Now, I'm not asking you to do this. I'm just asking you a little lift. This is what it looks like. Now the timing. The timing of your breath is going to be, you are going to exhale on the lift of the leg. You are going to inhale to bring it back down. Get used to exhaling on effort, right? So it is inhale here, exhale. Okay? Then you're going to crawl forward, right? Crawl forward. And now if you notice, the ball is now, here's my pelvis. I am, above into the belly a bit and a little bit into the pelvis. And you can lie down right there. And again, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. All right, gives you an idea of the process. And of course, you're gonna have another side. You don't have just one psoas muscle or one group of psoas, and you have the other side. So you would start over again, right up high, and then go down. You can take, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. You can take 4. Depends on how long you are. Might take more, might take less. Take your time. Use this as a time to meditate as well. Don't be in a hurry to go, okay, I've got my 4 breaths, I got my next 4 breaths, just enjoy and relax and use this as what it's supposed to be. Down regulate, quiet down, let all the tissues kind of just relax out, and it'll hopefully release your psoas. I say hopefully because sometimes it takes more than just one technique. Maybe it takes something different. And again, going to a massage therapist who really is great, with those great hands, or an osteopath who is able to get their hands into your belly area and follow your psoas muscle to release it. And they can do a lot of great stuff. I also do some of that in my practice. So if ever you decide to book some one-to-one time with me, I can help you with that too. Enjoy the massage.